Hi, everyone, and welcome to Speak Gently podcast, where we learn English through calm, natural, and friendly conversations. And today is exciting. We're talking about travel. And of course, I'm here with Alex. Hi, Alex.
Hi, Emma. Hi, everyone. I'm already excited because I really need a vacation. Like today, right now, immediately.
Same here. Don't we all? All right, let's start simple. The word travel. Repeat after us. Travel. Travel. It means going from one place to another, usually for fun, work, or adventure. For example, I love to travel during summer.
Exactly. So, Emma, what's the first thing you do when you start planning a trip?
The first thing? Honestly, I check flight prices. Always the flight prices.
Of course. So, everyone listening, today's first phrase is, I check flight prices. Repeat. I check flight prices. I check flight prices.
Good. Then I look for a hotel. Something simple, quiet, clean. Repeat after us. I look for a hotel. I look for a hotel.
Nice. For me, the first thing is different. I make a list, a long list, a very long list, probably too long.
I believe that. So another useful phrase, I make a list. I make a list. Repeat. I make a list. I make a list.
Perfect. So after I make my list, I pack my suitcase. Not always. Well, sometimes I forget socks, or a charger, or toothpaste.
Oh no. Everyone, repeat. I pack my suitcase. I pack my suitcase. And remember, don't forget your charger or your socks, especially your socks.
Yes, please. Okay, after packing, I check my documents. Passport, ID, tickets. Repeat, I check my documents. I check my documents.
Great! Then comes my favorite part, going to the airport. I know some people find it stressful, but I love it. The big screens, the lights, the coffee smell.
Emma loves airports. I don't. For me, airports mean long lines, heavy bags, and lost luggage.
Oh no! Lost luggage? Okay, listeners, here's an important phrase. I arrive at the airport. I arrive at the airport. Repeat. I arrive at the airport. I arrive at the airport.
And after that, I check in. I check in. Repeat, I check in. I check in.
Perfect. So after check-in, I go through security, find my gate, and buy a snack.
Same. Everyone repeat. I find my gate. I buy a snack.
Great job! Now, let's talk about the fun part, the destination. Alex, what's your dream place to visit?
Easy. Japan. I want to try sushi. The real one. Not the supermarket sushi. The real one.
Haha, fair enough. Everyone, repeat. I want to visit Japan. I want to visit Japan.
Nice. And you, Emma? Where do you want to go?
I want to visit Italy for the pasta, the gelato, and the pasta. Did I say pasta?
Yes, twice. And I support it. Repeat. I want to visit Italy. I want to visit Italy.
Perfect. When I arrive, I check into the hotel, leave my bags, and take a deep breath, because the best part is exploring the city.
Yes. So, new phrases. I check into the hotel. I explore the city. I check into the hotel. I explore the city. Repeat after us.
Then I take pictures. So many pictures. Too many, actually.
Ha ha, I know. Everyone repeat. I take pictures. I take pictures.
After that, I try local food. Always. Repeat, I try local food. I try local food.
At the end of the day, I rest at the hotel, write a few notes, and sleep early. Well, sometimes early.
Haha, same here. Let's repeat. I rest at the hotel. I sleep early. I rest at the hotel. I sleep early.
Perfect. Okay, let's review today's phrases. Travel. Check flight prices. Look for a hotel. Make a list. Pack my suitcase. Check my documents. Arrive at the airport. Check in. Find my gate. Buy a snack. Visit Japan or Italy. Check into the hotel. Explore the city. Take pictures. Try local food. Rest at the hotel.
Excellent. And now, here's your task for today. Think about a place you want to visit. Try starting with, when I travel, I. When I travel, I. Thank you for listening to the Speak Gently podcast.